Oh boy, you guys, so we've got a bit of a depressing video, man. Man, if you've been paying attention this week, man, we've been absolutely crushing it on evals. At the beginning of the morning, guys, we were up 1 to 1.1K on the week, man. 2 eval accounts. Of course, man, it all came crashing down today, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Some pretty depressing stuff, bro, I cannot lie. Now, yesterday's video, I was going to just lock the weekend there, man. I was going to lock the weekend there. Today, woke up at 6 a.m., went right back to bed, man. Was not about to trade, man. Was not about to trade, man. Looked at the opening price action. I was just like, bro, the junk's pretty chopped right now. For the first couple hours of the day, man, price action was pretty chopped. But then, man, fucking was like between like 10 and 11. So I trade on Pacific Standard Time. So markets closed at 1 p.m. For me. They open at 6:30 a.m. They close at 1 p.m. for me. Between 10 and 11. So like 2.5 hours, 2 to 3 hours before market close, man, I'm on the computer, bro. I'm looking for trades, man. I lose 2 shorts between that in that span of time, bro. In that period of time, I lose 2 shorts. And yeah, bro, the first trade that I took, man, I just wanted to get in shorts, so I made up a fucking confirmation, bro. I made up a 5-minute supply zone, and I took a fucking short, and I got obliterated. Second trade was a bit of a better setup. There's a 15-minute supply zone. I took that short, and bro, pretty much, yeah, man, I got a couple minutes of chop, and then, bro, I got cooked, bro. The fat-ass green candle just took me out, man. Took out high of day. There's a lot of liquidity resting at the top of my zone that I took the fucking short off of. I knew that going into the market, man. I just really want to take a short. And you know, man, only one of my accounts, I took the first loss on and then locked me out. The second account, I took 2 losses on, man. So one of my accounts, man, were up $600 on the week. The other one were break even, up like $50 on the week, man. Each trade risked $500 on, you know. And man, just so disappointing, guys. It is genuinely disappointing. Like, you guys, there were 2 days this week where I wasn't going to trade, and both of those days ended up being red, bro. Just imagine, if I had just stuck to my plan, I would have had 3 green days. We would have had that $1,000 day on Monday. Was it Monday or Tuesday? I don't remember exactly, but I know we would have had a $1,000 day on Monday. I don't remember how much we made on Tuesday, but I know it was another green day. It was a pretty good green day. And then we had that big $800, I think it was like, what, $600 that we made on Tuesday? I can't exactly remember, but, I remember after that we were up like, what, like $1,600 on the week, I think. Then we took that big $800 loss. Imagine that was on a day that I wasn't going to trade, right? I literally said I wasn't going to trade, and I came in and traded anyways. There was a whole video about that. So imagine we just didn't take that, bro. Then we had, yesterday, we had like a small $300 day. So 16, 17, 18, 19, we would have been up almost $2 grand on the week, bro. If I had just locked in, and like the 2 days I said I wasn't gonna trade, if I had just not fucking trade, bro, I'll be up almost $2 grand on the week, man. Dead ass. I might even be up $2 grand, like around $2 grand, somewhere around there, bro, on the week on evals, bro. I would be 2/3 of the way to passing this, man. We just need another $1,000, and I would be back to being funded, man. But no. It couldn't happen like that, man. I had to just get in my way 2 times this week, man. Even with that big $800 red day on a day I wasn't even gonna trade, bro. I came in yesterday, man. You know, I took a little trade. It's a very small win, man. The trade was going well, you know, for a minute. It didn't quite hit where I wanted to. Start rejecting, and I was like, fuck it, bro. I'm out, man. Before I get break even, I'm just gonna get out, man. And then lucky me, because right after that, dude, we had the biggest dump of the fucking century, pretty much, bro. I mean, seriously, I literally got out as we started to reject. It was like the second red candle of that fat fucking dump, bro. Like that second rejection, I was like, yeah, bro, we're rejecting off the zone. It's not gonna hit my TP. I'm just get out. $300 locking in, rather this than get break even or take a loss. I freaking did that. Then, bro, ever since that freaking count I got on, bro, we did nothing but dump, bro. Like thousands and thousands of points, bro. Maybe it was just 1,000 points. I don't know. I genuinely don't know. I was done. I was like, what the fuck is this market, bro? You know, I was like done. I'm done, bro. You know what I mean? It's whatever. I ended the day up $300. It's better than nothing. And I was gonna lock the fucking weekend there, bro. Plus a grand, 1 to 1.1 grand on the week, man, on 2 evals, bro. I was gonna lock the weekend there, man. Fuck my life, bro. It's always some bullshit, bro. I don't know why this is all of a sudden a problem for me, bro. Because literally, so many times have I just had 3 green days on a week and called it there, bro. Because I genuinely don't like trading Fridays because they're almost always fucking ass, bro. So I genuinely don't like trading Fridays just to begin with, bro. So And two, like, dude, I've always in the past, bro. If I have 3 green days on the week and I'm up comfortably, bro, I'm just locking the weekend there, man. It's like there's no reason for me to trade on Friday, a day that I already don't like trading anyways. You know what I mean? And I'm up comfortably on the week too, bro. It's like why would I trade this day, man? And I fucking did anyways, and I have no idea why because this has never been a problem for me before. You know what I mean? It's like it's always something, man. It's like I can't never just have everything locked in, bro. My strategy was shit. You know, so I changed that, but now my psychology is bad, and I'm like coming in 2 days this week. 2 days that I went to bed saying I'm not gonna trade, and then I fucking did it anyway, man. So this is gonna be the new thing is apparently, I guess if I say I'm not gonna trade on a day, I'm gonna have to fucking lock the account that night. You know what I mean? Like, I'll have to go in before the next day and just lock the account for the next day because apparently I can't. Apparently, if I say I'm not gonna trade. On a day, I still do it anyways now. Like, I guess that's a new thing. That's a new problem that has somehow arisen. You know, like, I don't know how because, like, I've always been so good at saying I'm not going to trade on a day and just not trading, you know what I mean? But apparently, we see that I failed to stick to that. I've said 2 times this week that I'm not going to trade on a specific day, and 2 times this week I went in, trade on a specific day, and 2 times this week we had fat red days, not even just regular red days, bro. Like except for on my fucking on one of my accounts because it locked me out. But the second one, I literally went to the copy trader, copy trade two evals, went to the copy trader, turned the copy trader off, and then took a second trade on my other account and got stopped out immediately, bro. Not immediately, but pretty much, yeah, I got cooked, bro. I literally had like fucking $20 in profit was the max, bro. The max amount of profit I had in that trade was fucking $20, bro. It was like 10 or $20, bro. It was crazy how wrong I was. But yeah, man. I mean, it just genuinely, bro. It's just like it is what it is moment, man. Not really, but it's like fuck, man. Like, I could have been even with like, it's just like, bro. Even with the big $800 red day, bro, I still was pretty like I was still at least a third of the way to passing these evals, bro. And I had a really good week, even with that one big $800 red day, you know, where I fucked up. I wasn't gonna trade that day, and I did it anyways. Even with that day, man, I still would have had a good week, man. But no, I could not just freaking let things be, bro. I could not. I was so close, bro. 2 to 3 more hours, man, and the markets would have been closed, man. What the fuck do I do, bro? I come fucking walking up to my desk, man. I'm like, bro, you know, man, I'm gonna take a trade. Like, gosh, bro. Oh, it's so infuriating, man. It's like it just kind of goes to show I could do so good, and then it's just this one day, man. I'm just like, oh, fuck it all up, man. And I genuinely don't know why. It's like, why would this happen like randomly? Right? I've never had a problem. Like with this has never been a problem for me. If I say I'm not gonna trade on a specific day, I just don't trade on that day. You know what I mean? It has never really been a problem for me. But twice this week, twice in 1 week, bro. Like, what is this, bro? You know what I mean? Especially how good I've been trading recently. Like I've been learning this new strategy. I've been learning these new confluences, bro. I've been doing good with it. You know, there's been a couple mistakes here and there. You know, like that big $800 red day. There's like I think like my first time trading strategy, I kind of fucked up a little bit with the entry, but now I've been doing really good. I feel like, you know, waiting and knowing what I want to see, knowing what I'm looking for in the markets. You know, just waiting, and then I come in today and I'm just like, it's so annoying, bro. And even the fucked up the worst part is this happened on Wednesday, and I told myself, bro, if I tell myself I'm not gonna trade the next day, bro, I just gotta not do it, man. You know, I'm not gonna have the right mentality, I'm not gonna have the right psychology. And then what do I do on Friday or on Thursday? I say I'm not gonna trade, and then what do I do on Friday? I just walk right back in, bro. At fucking like it was like 10:30 in the morning, 11 o'clock in the morning, bro. I never trade PM sesh. What am I doing? You know what I mean? Like why am I sitting here during PM sesh trying to fucking take a bunch of trades? You know, I wasn't even gonna trade today, and let alone I never even traded PM sesh. It's like what am I doing? You know what I mean? Generally, bro, it's frustrating. It really is, man. One of my accounts is probably gonna get blown. I'm not gonna lie. One of my accounts has been down. I don't even know, bro. I've got like less than one more loss on one of my accounts. I've got like 2 more losses on my second account, or on my account that's still in profit. One of my accounts up like $500. The other one's like down like $1,000. It's fucking insane. Because the other one I've basically had more losses on because this shit happens where, like I said, man, I fucking I get rid of the copy trader after it locks me out of my first account, and then I have another trade on this second account, so I take it and I fucking get cooked basically. So yeah, man, it's very disappointing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's like holy shit. There's always fucking something that fucks me. I literally had a fucking $1,000 week, bro. I could have just locked it in. But fuck no, man, I couldn't do it, man. I couldn't do it. It's crazy, bro. And it's just like I am so good at sabotaging my trading. It's insane, bro. It's genuinely insane. Like I don't know how the fuck this shit happens, man. But yeah, man, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Very disappointing shit, man. did not want to make this video whatsoever. That's why I'm not on my laptop showing you guys the trade. I just don't feel like doing it, bro. Y'all just gonna have to take my word, and y'all will see on Monday when I come in and do some more trading that I am not lying. I don't know why I would lie about this shit, but yeah, y'all just gonna have to wait until Monday, and I'll show you guys on Monday. You'll see the balance. You'll see the account balance and all that. So, yeah, man, insanely disappointing stuff. Fuck, bro. It's just, I'm always sabotaging myself, man. It's genuinely fucking bullshit, bro. Like, but you know, man, it is what it is, man. Just gotta, I don't know, man. What the fuck do I do, bro? I genuinely don't know, man. Obviously, from now on, if I say I'm not gonna train on a certain day, I'm gonna lock myself out the night before. Because this is just ridiculous. I didn't even think this was a problem, right? I genuinely never had a problem with saying that I'm not going to train on a certain day and then not train on it. Like, this has never been a problem in my fucking life, literally. So I don't know why all of a sudden 2 times in 1 week, you know what I mean? It's crazy because if I literally just, like I said, if I literally didn't fucking trade on the 2 days I said I wasn't going to trade on, then I would have had a perfect week, bro, and I would have been up like almost $2 grand on the evals, and I would have probably passed them next week. But now, one's probably going to get fucking blown, and I'm going to waste $50 more resetting it. The other one, hopefully I could catch a win and not blow it. That would be really cool. But who knows, man, because whenever I start taking bad trades, bro, it always just snowballs. Like, genuinely, it always snowballs. And so I don't know, man. We'll see, man. Next week is Thanksgiving. I'm sure the markets are going to be on some fucking bullshit. So yeah, man, I don't know, bro. We'll see what happens on Monday. With all that being said, man, it was a very negative video, a very negative way to end off what would have been a very fucking amazing week. And what I do think I did take some really good trades this week, you know what I mean? But here we are yet again, self-sabotaging the same bullshit over and over and over again. So yeah, no, I don't know what else to say, man. I'm just gonna cut the video off here, man. I really hope that I can figure this shit out. And bro, just frustration, man. Frustration. It always sucks, man, when you do like really good for a period of time and then it's just like one fucking day, bro. It feels like it sets you back more than it does. Because it's that mindset, bro. You start taking bad trades and it just snowballs, man. It just snowballs. It's like I bet you guys next week, man, I'm gonna be taking loss after loss after loss, man. I'm probably gonna fucking blow both these accounts. Not the best mindset to go into, I know, but like, hey, man, I'm over here trying to think fucking logically. I know that it's gonna snowball. I don't know what the fuck to do about it. So yeah, sucks, man. It really does. But you know, all that being said, man, I hope you guys been training well, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.